Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing an exciting topic, AI CCTV cameras and why they are so powerful. First, let's understand what an AI CCTV camera is. An AI CCTV camera is an advanced surveillance system that incorporates artificial intelligence technology to enhance its capabilities. These cameras utilize machine learning algorithms and computer vision to analyze real-time data and make intelligent decisions. Now, why are AI CCTV cameras so powerful? Here are 3 reasons. 1. Enhanced surveillance. AI CCTV cameras can detect and analyze patterns in real time, allowing security personnel to identify potential threats before they occur. They can also recognize people, vehicles, and other objects, providing a more comprehensive view of the scene. 2. Improved accuracy. By using advanced algorithms, AI CCTV cameras can analyze data more accurately than traditional surveillance systems. This means that suspicious activities can be detected more quickly and reported to security personnel, increasing the chances of preventing crime. 3. Real-time alerts. AI CCTV cameras can send notifications to security personnel when activity is detected. This can help prevent crimes in real time, allowing security personnel to act quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, AI CCTV cameras are powerful because they offer enhanced surveillance, improved accuracy, and real-time alerts. These features make them an invaluable tool for security personnel, providing a more effective and efficient way to protect and monitor critical areas.